Today's video is a beautiful one because we get to unbox new perfumes from the house of Lattafa. Not one, not two, but three Lattafa perfumes and one of their sprays. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady and I'm back today with another beautiful video. Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing great. I'm in a good mood today. I'm in a great mood. I'm buzzing, I'm bursting with excitement and I'm bubbling with energy. So we get to unbox three Lattafa perfumes today. Petra, Durrah, and wouldn't you know, we get to unbox another Yara Candy. I'm not even embarrassed. I'm not ashamed at all to say, now I have 3 bottles of Yara Candy in my collection. You don't know how happy that makes me. There's something about how when God answers your prayers, He answers it in beautiful, magnanimous ways. Lattafa Nigeria people must know that I really like Yara Candy because this is the second one they are sending me. I bought the first one with my money, but now I have 2 extra. Should we unbox it for yes, why not? Let us unbox the Yara Candy first. I know I've unboxed it a couple of times. This is the 3rd time. It might be getting old, but we're together, right? We're together. All right, so this is Yara Candy sent over to me from Lattafa Nigeria, and we're going to pretend it's the first time. Okay, can you do that? Can you pretend with me that it's the first time you're seeing an unboxing of Yara Candy? Oh my god, the bottle is so cute. Okay, look at that, look at that. It will never not get me. It always gets me. They know my weakness. I'm going to pretend it's the first time I'm smelling it, and I'm just going to react blindly as if this is the first time. The atomizer is beautiful. It sprays quite mistily. Oh my god, is that strawberry I catch? Is that candy? Oh, this is so sweet. It's my kind of fragrance. I like it. Yeah, it's a yes. I have 2 bottles, but I'm still super excited. Thank you so much. I'm gonna keep this one for no, I'm not giving it to anybody. I'm gonna douse myself in it, every day. This is one of my favorite perfumes ever. I love this, so that was good. Now the second one is Petra. This is relatively new. Now Petra, I have heard that it's a floral coconut fragrance. I couldn't help myself. Reviews were everywhere about Petra. They say it's a floral coconut fragrance, and you will like it if you like the likes of which one were they comparing it with? I'll put it on the screen if I remember. We're comparing it with one fragrance that smells like that. Frankly, I don't care. As long as it smells good to me. Hey guys. It looks good. Okay, check it out. I know you've seen the bottle, yeah, 1,000,000 times, but really, just check this out. Really good, huh? Please smell good. Now, this is really a first impression this time around, so please smell good. Let me just spray the first one out into the air. I've learned that you have to spray the first one out into the air. Maybe now the second or the third you spray on skin, because I like to spray my perfumes on skin. It does have sillage. The wind is blowing it straight into my nose. It smells like body lotion, and not in a good way. It smells like old body lotion. When you're cutting up your body lotion because you want to get one last use out of it, but then it's been a while, it's been like 6 months. I'm sorry, but it's not working for me. It's not working for me. I know it has notes of rum and plum, coconut and tuberose, vanilla, praline, and maybe musk. This is Petra is not wing lady approved. I'm sorry guys it took me this long. You can't really blame me. You can't blame me. I've been winning battles. But Petra, if you have bought it without watching my review, well, I do hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, definitely enjoy it. Have fun. But for me, maybe it needs time to come together. Maybe it needs more time to, blend together and macerate and give us the goods. But right now, It smells like body lotion, body wash, like cleaning products with a nasty hint of coconut in there. That's not good coconut. That's not fresh. Why can't coconut be done in the freshest way? Like when you drink coconut water, or when you eat coconut meat. Why can't it be done like that? It's heavily floral, and that coconut is just headache inducing. It's a no. It's a no. I'm so sorry. If you really like it, if you really enjoy it, please enjoy your fragrances. Don't let me change your mind, okay? Don't let me change your mind. Like what you like, enjoy what you enjoy. But for Wing Lady, me and you, if you're together and you like what I like and you don't like what I don't like, this one is not it, okay? It's not it. So now moving on to the third one. This is Niche Emirati Durrah. This is the box. Okay, that thing looks like Yoruba people will call it adugan. Adugan is used in villages for firewood cooking. That big large pot that stands on those three legs, when you cook jollof rice in those pots, it just tastes different. So I'm hoping this just tastes delicious and different. I mean, not like jollof rice, obviously. I'm just hoping it smells good. Please, I'm rambling. I'm just hoping it smells really good. Okay, I love the color. It is so orange. It's like a mess, I eventually had to open it at the top and at the bottom, to get it out. It comes with a Niche Emirati Perfumes pamphlet from Lattafa. Beautiful. I'm going to go through this later, but for now, I am too excited. I need to check the perfume. Eep. Guys, look at this. Look at the bottle. Standing on three legs, like a cauldron, like a witch's cauldron. Like you open it and then you put something inside and whoop, 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 it turns into a potion. I like it. I actually think it's very artistic. I like artistic things, we're gonna try it together. Oh, spray it in the air first. They say to always spray it in the air first. The first spray has to go into the air. Now the second and the third can definitely go on the skin. Spicy, baby. You're spicy. You got spice. Is there a cardamom in here? Then eventually the fruitiness and the sweetness starts to pick through. Almost smells like mango. Almost smells like mango. This is not bad, but it's gonna take getting used to, and it's definitely not for everybody. This is not your fruity, juicy Lala fragrance. This is fruity, juicy, but with a backbone, with spice, with something tangy, something to give you that oomph, with body, with personality, with quirkiness. In here is not just spice, there's florals in there too. So beautiful florals are trying to pick through, but something heavy is sort of like holding them down. Something heavy is being like, I want to run this show. You cannot run this show behind me. But it's pleasant, it's beautiful. If you like fruity scents, but with base, but with sexiness, but with difference, you're gonna love this. So I'm gonna go check the notes now. So for notes of Durrah, at the top it says it has bergamot, lychee, and hibiscus. At the heart it has incense, magnolia, rose, and violet. At the base it has amber, cashmere, musk, and vanilla. Frankly, I did not get the vanilla. And I think amber is the one running the show, holding it down like that. You can see this being a beautiful base. If you want to wear fruity, juicy scents, but you want it to have a sexy background, use Durrah as a base. Then you can layer your fruity, juicy Lala, everything on top. It's quite pleasant and I like it. And then finally for this video, I have the Mayar spray. Now when Lattafa started making sprays, I thought, will it be necessary since we already have the perfume? Would we actually need the spray? But then this came through and I was like, it definitely has to be Mayar, because Mayar is one of my favorite Lattafa perfumes. It's OG. I love Mayar so much that if he has a body oil, I will buy. If he has a cream, a lotion, I will buy. So if he has a spray and they sent it over to me, thank you. Okay, thank you. I'm going to use it and enjoy it very, very, very well. Color is actually very pretty. She is pretty. Now let us spray this and see how it sprays. I want to actually see what kind of spray it has. Okay, that's beautiful. Can you see? The whiteness is not letting this shine. How about here? Yeah. Mm. Mm. Yeah, that is Mayar, but not as macerated as my own. This is Mayar like when I first bought it. It has that similar smell to Musuf Wadi from the house of Ada Zafran. So that's what you get here. That similar smell that it has to Musuf Wadi is what you smell in here first. Since this has not macerated, it's still very new. It smells like a new bottle, a fresh bottle of Mayar. Hey, that is so good. If you wear this and then you combine it with Mayar perfume, and then if there was like an oil or something similar to that DNA, you will smell irresistible. No, I kid you not, I'm not even joking. You will smell absolutely irresistible. This is good. I'm gonna spray it on, okay? I'm gonna spray it all over. Yeah. Yes. 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 And it's concentrated. Gosh, I didn't know it was gonna smell this concentrated, this good. Oh my god, I'm tasting it at the back of my throat. It's bitter, of course, because it's alcohol and stuff. But damn, dang it, this smells really, really good. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. You guys, if you see Lattafa sprays, and if you like the particular fragrance, or you're thinking of trying out that particular fragrance, just get the spray. Just get the spray. This is lovely. Beautiful. Thank you, Lattafa Nigeria, for sending this my way. And thank you guys for watching the video until the very end. And please like the video, okay? Please like the video. Like it, like it, like it. Subscribe to my channel for more of me. And until next time. Wait. I didn't ask you to follow me on social media. If you want to follow me on social media, it's winglady_beauty on TikTok. And then on Instagram is winglady_. Follow me wherever you want to follow me. I love you. Until next time, I love you guys so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.